Question 6, we're going to finish labeling the picture, making sure we match all their stipulations. So first of all, it says lines A and B are cut by transversal T. Now, where you put A and B are irrelevant, but T has to be the line that intersects both A and B. Then it says 3 and 8 have to be alternate interior angles. Well, 3 is already inside angle A and B, so 8 also has to be inside. You have two options for where that could be, but it has to be on the alternate side of line T, so it has to go on the opposite side of that transversal. So there's angle 8. 4 and 5 are corresponding, so 4, which is on the lower left of this intersection of angles, would then go on the lower left of the next intersection, so it would be adjacent to angle 8. 2 and 7 are also going to be corresponding, so I see angle 2 is in the upper right-hand position, so angle 7 goes in the upper right-hand position. 8 and 6 have to be vertical angles, so in that intersection of two lines, it would be non-adjacent to 8. It'd be across from 8. So it all fits in there. For question 7, we have the picture. We are told that angle UTQ is 60 degrees. My advice for these problems is don't even look at the blanks. Go to the picture, fill it all out first, especially when we give you names with 3 letters like that. It will make your life so much easier. So what I'm first going to do is fill out the whole picture. I know that vertical angles are congruent. I know then that corresponding angles are congruent, and another pair of vertical angles. Those would all equal 60. From there, I would try to find any that are still missing. I'm going to do a bunch of linear pairs. The angle that adds up to 60 is 120. So these are all 120. Now let's go and fill in the blank. Angle PQT has a vertex of angle at point Q. So PQT would be this 60-degree angle. Angle VTS has an intersection at T. VTS would be a 60-degree angle. And I keep going. RQT would be 120. STQ would also be 120. OQR would be that acute angle of 60 degrees. PQO is 120 degrees. And VTU would be another 120-degree angle. But if your picture wasn't filled out first, that would have taken so much longer. Fill your picture out first.